Hey everyone. I went and checked the mail yesterday evening. It was late after the post office was closed. And I wasn't expecting a parcel, but I just went to go and check before the Easter weekend. Uh, and so I received this package in the mail. And I didn't order anything, and I checked with the wife, and she didn't order anything. So anyway, I got home, and obviously it's somebody that wants to remain anonymous. But this is what they've sent me. Now it's still in the cardboard box, but it's a clock which displays the day, time, and the day and month. I should say the month and day, I guess. And there's a couple of arms on there, and also does temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit. Again, I say this is anonymous. Little clips, I think, for if you want to hang it on a wall. But I'm sort of figuring out why they sent it. I don't know who sent it, but I understand why. Because, as you can see, the light is green. So when I seen that and I put two and two together a little bit of time, got some instructions here. Runs on a power supply or batteries, and a little alarm here, an adjustment of some sort. But yeah, there it is. And I bet you $1 to donuts that this here is going to be complimentary to the Cobra 2000, the Snake Radio Customs 2K Factory radio. Super Snake. So without further ado, I am going to get this clock on the go, and I think it's going to fit up on top of the radio just nice. And there you have it, all set up. And yeah, pretty well matches it. Really nice. To the naked eye, all this looks comparable to the green here, but the camera's showing slightly off. Here looks a little bit more bluish than this here, but I can tell you with the naked eye, it looks wonderful. Anonymous gift from an anonymous, I shouldn't say anonymous gift, an anonymous person sending a gift. I'm going to have to start guessing now and trying to figure out who this may have been, but I guess that's the reason why they want to remain anonymous. Maybe I should not try to figure it out, but certainly very grateful. Wasn't expecting this at all. Like I say, just came out of the blue. And so I just want to say thank you, whoever did this very kind gesture, and just wanted to say, as I stated in many other videos before, I've always been very surprised at the quality of people that I've met through YouTube, through my YouTube channel, and through other YouTube channels that I frequent and hang out on. I've been blessed with a lot of things, as you know, through the years, and just wanted to say thank you, and wanted to reassure people that there are still some good and decent people out there in the world, kind, generous, caring, giving. So all is not lost. And again, thanks so much. It's a wonderful gift, and I look forward to implementing this in my videos for Video Gates and the like. So I want to thank everybody for watching, and hope you're having a wonderful long Easter weekend. Remember the reason for this season, for this time of the year, and God bless you all, and we'll catch you on the next video.